how the grocery orders in Canada work. Stick around and I will show you the whole lengthy process for this one. So in my last video I showed you where I did one order from this No Frills, and I forgot to mention that this is just a shop and deliver order. So basically we don't have to pay anything. The DoorDash doesn't have to pay anything. All the payment has already been done through an app called PC Express. So the customer places the order through the PC Express. It gets assigned to DoorDash, which is a third party, and then the DoorDash assign this order to a dasher who just go to the store, and then they shop for the items, and they just scan a barcode at the end which confirms that the payment has been made. So basically that barcode you can say transfers the payment from the customer's funds to the store's funds, and the DoorDash just get the, you can say, delivery fee from the PC Express app and not the consumer. But in case if the consumer has given any kind of tips, that does go to the dasher. But we rarely find tips in these kinds of order, because from the customer's perspective they are always, you can say, ordering directly from the store, and so they don't sometimes believe that the tips will be going to the employees or not, so they are confused sometimes. So yes, for this, or for most of these orders, we are only getting the base pay that is offered by the DoorDash. So for this one, as you can see, we are getting paid $17.36, and we have to shop for somewhat around 19 items, and if I'm not wrong, it's going to take us another 15-20 minutes. So let's see. A lot of the grocery stores, they require you to put a coin in their shopping cart for you to temporarily use them. So I always keep this thing, which comes in handy. It's just like a $1 coin. You put it, take it out, and then voila. चलो भाई शॉपिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं. We have mangoes. Mint. Pine. Cilantro. You have the fresh mint. एक तो यार यहाँ पर इंटरनेट नहीं चलता. बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ है भाई, बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ है आज यहाँ पर. Guys,
Watch what's really mommy and daddy like. We want you to watch what's gonna make you smart.
Gold House.
You're a smart boy. Why would you want to watch something that's making you smart?
ध्यान बड़ा देना पड़ता है कई बार ना। ये सारी जो आइटम्स आपको यहाँ दिख रही हैं, इनकी पोजीशन चेंज होती रहती है। कभी कोई आइटम कहीं पड़ी होगी और कोई आइटम कहीं पड़ी होगी। अभी जैसे कि आप ये आम देख सकते हैं, तो ये कभी कभी फ्रंट एंड पे पड़े होते हैं। तो जी हमारी मोस्टली जो वेजिटेबल्स हैं वो हमारी डन हो गई हैं। Only one thing remaining, bananas. Pick up some nice ones. On the weekends, it's always rushed in the grocery stores because a lot of people who have regular jobs, 9 to 5 jobs, they come on the weekends only, Saturdays and Sundays, in order to shop for their groceries. Some order online and some prefer to do it in person. So I like in person, honestly. You get to go out and all of that stuff, you know. But ठीक है, सबका अपना अपना है। ऑनलाइन भी एक अच्छी चीज़ है, करनी सही है। It should be here, but they don't have it anymore. Send suggestion. कोई suggestion है भाई? प्रेट्सल इनके पास यार प्रेट्सल हुआ तो करते थे। ऑनेस्टली और कोई सेम वैरायटी की चीज़ दिख नहीं रही है। So it's better to issue a refund than give them a wrong item. They haven't replied us back yet for the last item, so DoorDash says that in case if there is no substitution submitted, हमें आइटम को रिफ़ंड कर देना चाहिए, बिकॉज हु नोज़, क्योंकि कस्टमर को तो उससे पे करना पड़ेगा। एंड जस्ट इन केस इफ दे आर नॉट लुकिंग फॉर व्हाट वी हैव सजेस्टेड और we have added to the list, then they are basically, as a consumer, they are in loss. So we are going to refund this last item as well. And then for the checkout, as you can see, there is a barcode. All we need to do is scan this barcode at the checkout counter, and they will be able to check me out without having me to pay at the store. स्टोर के अंदर ही एडवर्टाइजमेंट हो रही है भाई डोरडैश की। क्या डोरडैश से ऑर्डर कर सकते हो, आपको आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ओके, अब हमारी रह गई हैं गिनी चुनी 4 आइटम्स। I don't believe they have this one. Normally it should be this one. Let's see if there is. There is no substitution, so we are going to suggest. जब तक कोई रिप्लाई आता है तब तक हम बाकी चीज़ें निपटा देते हैं भाई। I know, right? So we will be, ये देखो भाई, इंडियन मसाले सारे के सारे, तंदूरी 60, कुटी, लाल मिर्च, दालचीनी, काली मिर्च सब मिलता है हर ग्रोसरी स्टोर पे, ऑलमोस्ट हर ग्रोसरी स्टोर पे। फॉर्टिनोज में थोड़ा सा सामान कम है, बट अदर देन दैट फ्रेशको, फूड बेसिक्स, वॉलमार्ट, नो फ्रिल्स, ऑलमोस्ट हर जगह इंडियन स्टफ पूरा अवेलेबल है, ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग। अगर कुछ आपको स्पेसिफिक ही चाहिए तो उसके लिए इंडियन कन्वीनियंस स्टोर हैं। So now we need apple juice. Done. And last item in the agenda would be these pretzel twists. pretzel के twist कहाँ है भाई? Party mix. So we have to scan this barcode first and then the items, because in case if the items are scanned first, then this barcode will not work. Checkout counters पे you can find all of these candies if you want to add them at the last moment. Mints, we got some chocolates and stuff. Then we got some gift cards. Hello. Do you have the regular bags today or the paper bags?
The paper ones.
Okay, I think yeah, 304 should be fine. Sorry, thank you. Faster, Abby, faster. It's getting busy. Thank you.
Thank you.
What? These paper bags are not strong enough, तो हम इनको अलग से sorry. So शॉपिंग हमारी डन हो गई है एंड अब हम निकले हैं ऑर्डर डिलीवर करने. So as you could see, it was very crowded. On the weekends it's mostly like that, but that's when people get time, right? क्या कर सकते हैं? That's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. तो हमारी गाड़ी कहाँ पर है भाई? आई थिंक वहाँ पर है हमारी गाड़ी. आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. ओके. नहीं, ये तो हमारी गाड़ी नहीं है भाई. ये रही हमारी गाड़ी. उधर है, उधर निकल जाएगी. तो भाई बहुत बिजी रहता है यार वीकेंड पे. बट वंस यू गेट द हैंग ऑफ इट, then you'll be able to find the items within time and efficiently. Now we will head to the customer's address to deliver this to them. So the customer is around 30 minutes away from the store and we are going to go and then deliver the order to them. चलते हैं भैया. पार्किंग लॉट से निकलना ना भाई ऐसा हो जाता है जैसे कि ना बॉर्डर पार करना हो, स्पेशली ऑन अ बिजी डे लाइक टुडे. इट्स क्रेजी. एक ये बड़ी मस्त चीज़ है यार अपनी बीबियों की ना यार कनाडा में. ये अपना कल्चर नहीं छोड़ते भाई, कुछ हो जाए. इन्होंने पाने सूट ही हैं, ठंड में भर रही होंगी, सूट पाएंगी, उसके ऊपर जैकेट पा लेंगी, कोई चक्कर नहीं है, कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता इन्हें. ठीक, बट इन्होंने अपने हिसाब से ही ड्रेसअप होना है, अपने अकॉर्डिंगली ही इन्होंने अपने सूट सलवार, अपनी साड़ियाँ, भाई कोई नहीं छोड़ता। स्पेशली जो अपने विलेज या पिंड के से बिलोंग करते हैं बंदे। और ये नहीं सिर्फ पंजाबी, मैंने गुजरात के भी बहुत बंदे देखे हैं, हरियाणा के भी बहुत बंदे देखे हैं, which normally prefer to stay in their ethnic attire, and well, that's okay. That's okay to do that. It's one thing to learn a new culture. It's another thing to sacrifice yours to blend into it. So ये चीज़ सीखना आपके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है इफ़ यू आर स्टेइंग इन अ फॉरेन कंट्री। तो कहावत है ना कि जापान में हो तो जापानी बोलनी पड़ेगी, बट इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं कि भाई तुम हिंदी बोलना है भूल जाओ। क्यों भाई, अगर कुछ गलत कहा हो तो बताना भाई। I normally get around like 5-6 orders like this, where I just have to shop and then deliver to the customer from the same store, that is the No Frills. And उसका एक बहुत बड़ा reason है. Recently in October 2025, so government of Ontario made a big change and they started giving gig workers, that is the food delivery drivers or the Uber drivers, right, a minimum wage on their time spent on the delivery. So let's say that if I started this delivery at 2 o'clock and I'm finishing at 3 o'clock, and the DoorDash offered pay for me for this order is, let's say, $10, so I will be receiving an extra $7.4 as a compensation because I spent 1 hour on it. And technically, according to the new law, I should be getting paid the minimum wage for the amount of time spent on these orders, on these deliveries. But ये पर ऑर्डर पे वैलिड नहीं है. लाइक लेट्स से कि आपने एक ऑर्डर किया एंड वो $10 का था, बट आपको उस पे 1 घंटा लग गया, then you will be getting $7 extra. But for the another order, you were offered, let's say hypothetically, $17, and it only took you 20 minutes or 30 minutes for that. So what will happen at the end of the week? The DoorDash is going to calculate the average time spent and the average pay received for all of those orders. तो जो उसके अंदर एवरेज में जो डिफरेंस आएगा, then they are going to pay you out at the end of the week. So let's say that if they offered you $450, but according to the time spent you were supposed to receive $500, then they will give you the extra $50 in your pay or in your weekly pay at the end of your week or so. But for the Uber, they calculate it on bi-weekly basis. So वो Uber वाले 2 हफ्ते का हिसाब रखते हैं on an average का, and they give you on bi-weekly, Skip weekly again. Instacart also gives you on weekly basis, and I don't know about other apps. I don't do any other apps though. लो भाई, आ गए हैं हम अपना ऑर्डर डिलीवर करने। लगता है हमने थोड़ा ज़्यादा जल्दी पार्क कर दिया गाड़ी, दिखा ये रहा था, बट घर ये है। प्रॉब्लम्स तब आती हैं यार डिलीवरी के टाइम पे, जब कई बारी बिल्डिंग्स के ऑर्डर होते हैं and people have ordered a lot of water cases, which becomes hard to take upstairs. But for these kind of orders, it's all good. So let's complete our delivery, and as you can see, there is $0 tip in this order as suspected, but we still made $18.63, and I don't believe that we had spent more than an hour on this one. So when you think of it, we are making more than the minimum wage when it comes to most of the grocery orders. So well, yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next video, guys.